So here's how you can reset the Explore page on Instagram. So there are more things you need to take a look at. First of all, if you check out your current Explore page, what you can do is utilize the I'm not interested button, because you can tap on the profiles or individual photos which show up to you like that. And you can essentially click on the three dots right there next to the post and click on a not interested. So you're not like reporting it, but you're just saying that it is not for you. And over time, this type of content will no longer be recommended to you. The next option, what you can do is to adjust interests inside of the settings. So you can tap on your profile section in your Instagram, then proceed to the settings, which are behind the menu icon right there. And you need to find the section of what you see, and then you'll be able to find the interests. You can see that now it is called content preferences. So you can tap on this and essentially decide what you are interested in, what you're not interested in, right? Because you can see that if you added something to the not interested list, it will be shown right here, or you can search for specific words or phrases, right? So yes, you can hide suggested posts with hashtags or captions that have the specific words, phrases, or emojis. So you can literally just set up your Explore page based on your preferences and kind of reset it that way. Again, you also have some reset of the suggested content, so you can see that we have a dedicated reset button, which is very important, but this is a bit more of a hard reset if you want to do it entirely. So as you can see, we've got so many options to choose from. So if you like this type of content, most definitely subscribe to this channel so you never miss anything important in the future. Hit the thumbs up if it worked for you, and I'm gonna catch you later in the next tutorials.